Okay, YouTube fam, I've already started boiling the water. Now I'm gonna add tricolor rotini. I love this type of noodles to go in my pasta salad. You can use any type you like. This is just my favorite, okay? And we're gonna pour the entire box into the water, boiling water, and let it cook according to the directions on the box. And that usually takes probably anywhere from 10 to 11, 12 minutes, okay? Don't overcook your pasta. If you do, it's gonna be kind of mushy like. Stay with me. Okay, YouTube fam, the noodles are done. I let them cook for about 12 minutes. Okay, I've already drained them and put them in a bowl that I'm gonna serve them out of, okay? Let me show you what I'm gonna do next. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, a tablespoon of onion powder, a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of total seasoning. This is delicious on pasta salad as a seasoning. Okay, I'm gonna just mix those seasonings in with the pasta. This is gonna be delicious. Okay, YouTube fam. Now I'm gonna add a fourth of a bell pepper, a half of an onion, diced, and I'm also going to add a small tomato, diced. Okay. Now I'm going to add the main ingredient to my pasta salad, Italian dressing. I'm going to add at least probably 3 big squeezes of this, okay? Okay. Gonna shake it real good. Make sure all of those seasonings inside of the Italian dressing are mixed well. And then I'm going to add 3 big squeezes. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to stir well and combine everything. Okay, doesn't that look delicious? Doesn't that look delicious? Okay, and what I usually do, you can, I usually cook, sometimes I'll cook chicken wings with mine, and I'll put a link in the description box on how I cook my chicken wings, okay? But you can have just about anything with your pasta salad. Sausages, hamburgers, anything. You can eat it by itself. It's just delicious. Fish, anything. And please hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel and comment below. And please hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of my next video. And at the top left, I'm going to be putting a link in the description. Well, I'm going to put a video at the top left so you can watch it and it'll show you how I cook my chicken wings, okay? I've already done a video on it. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget, look at the top left. Thank you so much. Okay, YouTube fam, these are just some of the ingredients that I used today in my most famous pasta salad. watch the entire video so you can see what other ingredients that I'm using in my most famous pasta salad. As always, thanks for watching.